Annapolis continues to experience a shortage of homes priced under $400,000. It's Friday, March 4th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. With such a shortage of homes for sale in that price bracket, the cost of entry for first-time homebuyers is much higher and with less options. There are 50 homes for sale in 21401. 9 of those are under $400,000. 30 homes for sale in 21403, and only 4 of those are under $400,000. And 24 homes for sale in 21409, with only 2 being under $400,000. These numbers reflect a severe shortage of inventory for this time of year in all price points. However, for those looking for land in the Annapolis area, we are seeing more land listings as owners are seeking the opportunity that exists in the market right now to unload their lots. Area rental inventory remains challenging, particularly as prices have skyrocketed. The average renter must prepare to pay more for a rental than they would for most home purchases. While selection is slim, competition is high. This bodes well for investors, especially in light of the fact that rental rates are predicted to continue to rise. Investors are wise to invest now and lock in purchases that should create positive cash flow into the near future. If you are contemplating a move this year, our Spring Home Buyer Guide and Spring Home Selling Guide are now out and free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com. and click on Guides in the navigation bar, and then let's talk. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 4th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.